Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need the basics in place. Start now by auditing your channel, check subscribers, watch hours, and AdSense status. Once done, remove reused content and flag any copyright claims because eligibility demands original ownership. Then, create a 30-90-day content plan focused on two goals: increase watch time and convert subscribers. Make sure to batch record for 6 videos and 10-20 shorts, optimize titles and descriptions for search, and enable channel customization so viewers understand your niche. Now execute targeted tactics to scale metrics fast. Prioritize watch time by structuring videos with a strong hook, mid-video value, and a clear call to action to subscribe. Meanwhile, optimize metadata. Use the main keyword in the title, the first 1-2 lines of the description, and create themed playlists to boost session time. Once you publish, promote each video across 2 external platforms and pin in the Community tab. These steps increase views and watch hours more predictably than random uploads. When thresholds are met, apply to the YouTube Partner Program in Studio, link AdSense and accept the terms, submit for review, and keep improving live content. If reviewers flag issues, act fast, remove reused clips, replace unlicensed music, and clear copyright strikes, because unresolved strikes block approval. If your application is denied, read the feedback, remediate specific problems, and reapply after 30 days. Meanwhile, keep publishing consistent, high-retention content so your next review looks significantly improved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.